So hello guys, today I am solving this problem. Find the smallest element in an array. So this is our array 25130. These are the element. So my first approach 1. How to solve this problem? Firstly, sort the array and print array 0 element. Like first we sort this array. So after sorting this array, it will look like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, and we print this element array of 0. So this is the very easiest problem to solving the this problem, and the time complexity to solve this problem is big O n log n, and space complexity is big O 1. But can we optimize it? Yes, we can optimize it. How? So approach 2. So in approach 2, we take we use a min variable and initialize min variable and initialize it with array of 0. And second, this is our first thing. Second, we use loop. And third, if any element less if any element less than it, then we update it. So how this? So our array is 2, 5, 1, 3. Like first we take this element as a min element. Then we come to this element. So in min we store our first element, that is 2. Then we come to the next element 5. Here 5 is less than 2. 5 is not less than 2. So we move to next element. Is it 1 is less than 2? Yes, 1 is less than 2. So we if we compare, like if our min is greater array of I, then in min we update the value. So then next come here, in min there is one element is stored. Now we come on the this element. This is the third 3 element which is greater than min. Then we come to the next element 0. The 0 is less than 1. Now we again update our min element. So what is the code for this problem is? So now I am write the code for this problem. Like if we write the function for this problem, int smallest element. So first we take array as a parameter and size. So first we take min, in which we store our array of 0, and starting for loop from int I equals to 0 to I less than n I plus plus. If condition, if array of I is less than min, then we update min by array of I, and at last we return min. So this is our code for smallest element. So let's talk about the time complexity. So the time complexity for this approach is big O n, and space complexity is big O 1. So that's all about. This is a very easiest problem. So first is firstly we sort the array and then print the zeroth element, like this one. So but the time complexity for this approach is bigger as compared to this time complexity. So that's all about, guys. And I am against understand explain this code. So this is the code for smallest element problem. Here we take the array as a input and size, and here we take a array of I first element as a min element. Then we compare it to the other element. Then we compare it to the other element, and if we get the smallest element as compared to min, then we easily update it. And so this is problem solved. This is a very easiest problem of array. So that's all about, and this is my first video, guys. So please support me, like like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box.